Kinda simple, kinda wishful about things. And you're kinda simple, but like a pistol, you fire. Sometimes you get under my skin like a lover, and sometimes you don't wanna come back 'cause you'd rather stay out with another. Talking to strangers and make out spontaneously. Now I'm so tired.
Hey guys, welcome back, or welcome if you are new. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Today's video is an all-day deep clean with me. I'm going to be doing regular surface cleaning and some deep cleaning to hopefully motivate you to tackle something on your list. I'm also sharing a really easy, healthy chicken recipe. It's chicken with feta and tomatoes, and it was so good and so light that it's perfect for getting ready for spring and warmer weather. I know it's crazy to think about that now. We had 2 feet of snow overnight, and I know some parts of the US are out of power because of snow and cold, and my heart goes out to them and praying people are safe and finding ways to stay warm. I have a few friends that have been without power for more than 24 hours, and I'm so worried about them. In Michigan, winter's always so long and seems to go on forever, but sometimes if I have the right mindset and start taking care of myself now, when it's in the middle of February and I'm getting spring fever, it helps me get over the winter hump. So I wanted to share it with you in case you're feeling the winter blues too. The recipe is at the end of the video, so I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you do. Also, this video is part of a group collab with Amy Darley, full of spring cleaning motivation to help get you started on any projects you might have. And snow days are perfect days to get started on those. I'm so excited about this, and a big thank you to Amy Darley for being part of this collab. I ordered this entryway table from Target, and it was delivered this morning, and I was so excited to open it and decorate it with you today, but unfortunately it was delivered broken. But here's a picture of what it looks like. I was so disappointed because I wanted to update my entryway today, but that's okay. It wasn't meant to be, and I'll find something else instead, and then we can decorate it together very soon for spring. After I realized I couldn't get the entryway done, I started in the kids' bathroom to give it a pretty deep clean. I wanted to scrub pretty much everything, the shower, the sinks, wipe the mirror, all of it. I give it a surface clean every other day and a deep clean once a week, so it wasn't too much work.
Okay. 'Cause this winter is so long, feels like it's haunting me. Say there's gonna be a change, 'cause I feel like I'm just holding on to yesterday. But if I wait till the summer, oh, if I wait till the summer, oh, but if I wait till the summer, oh, I know we about the way we used to be. When I think about the things you took from me, I know that I am so much better.
So since I was already in bathroom cleaning mode, I moved into my bathroom. Now, this bathroom gets a surface clean pretty much every other day, but a deep clean like the shower and the tub not as often as the kids. Sometimes when I'm in the shower, I'll just scrub it down since I'm in there anyway, but it still needed to be washed well and the doors dried to make sure I don't have water spots on them. But does anyone else's husband's sink get so incredibly gross? Like, I don't know what happens, but maybe it's the shaving. Everything gets dirty and it just grosses me out. He doesn't seem to care because he won't do it himself, but after a while I can't take it and I just give in, figuring since I'm cleaning I might as well do it anyway.
All you seem to do is lie. Those days are gone. I'm walking tall while you're alone. When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me, I know that I am so much better. When I look at what I've done, now that we're apart, when I look at what I've won, I've come so far. I know I'm so much better off, and baby, you don't belong. Your love was cold, heart made of stone, but I'm just fine. I'm gonna shine. I'm alright, alright, alright. I'm celebrating my liberation. I'm moving strong, I'm moving on. I'm alright, alright, alright. Might be shaken but not stirred. Just a lesson that I've learned, and so it goes.
And the cleaning products that I like using in the bathroom are the Miss Meyer's glass cleaner. I also have a scrubby brush that I fill with just Dawn dish soap and vinegar for the sinks and for the tub and for the shower doors. I find that those work the best. And then I also have a Miss Meyer's antibacterial cleaner for the bathroom, and that's what I'm wiping these cabinets down with.
You know that I'ma keep it cool. With you I feel like breaking rules. On the edge, looking out with no parachute. You know I'm dreaming about us two, playing around without a clue. On the edge, cleaning out. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it
I'm also going to be wiping down this large mirror in my hallway with the Miss Meyer's glass cleaner. It's the lemon verbena scent and I just love it. And then since I was here anyway, I'm wiping down the linen closet door with the same spray.
Life was dull until you came. I was breathless when we first met. Couldn't keep my hands away.
So this is a little bit later in the day and I'm just going to quickly unload the dishwasher and clean up the kitchen before I get started cooking.
Didn't mind my scars, mend my broken heart. Life was dull until you came. Now I see in color again. It could rain, I don't mind if it pours, 'cause I'm right next to you, to you. Come rain or come shine, I don't mind, 'cause I'm right next to you. It's you, right next to you, to you, next to you, next to you, next to you, right next to you, to you, next to you, next to you, next to you. Never thought I'd feel this high. The sky has never felt this close, and when you kiss me, I can't believe that I.
Okay, to get started on our chicken recipe, you need about a cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice. So that's what I am doing here. And then you also need 16 tomatoes and you cut them longwise, and the recipe was very specific about that. So here I am cutting up my 16 tomatoes, and I will have the recipe linked below in my description box so that you can check it out if you want it.
Song on.
And then the next thing you need is fresh oregano. You need about 8 sprigs of those chopped up. You can also use a teaspoon of dried oregano if you don't have any fresh.
Can we stay here forever? I'm loving.
You will also need about a cup of extra virgin olive oil. Pour in the lemon juice, put in your oregano, then mash up your garlic and put that in with the dressing.
In this moment, can we stay here forever? Forever.
And then go ahead and season with salt and pepper. Stir that really well together, let all the flavors marinate, and then you're going to pour 1 package of the feta cheese on top of your tomatoes and pour about half of that marinade on top, and then leave the rest for your chicken. And then take your thinly sliced chicken breasts. I think I have 3 here that I cut in half, and then I cut in half lengthwise as well, just to make smaller pieces. And then go ahead and pour your extra marinade on top of that. And here I am just kind of scoring the chicken, just kind of poking at it with my fork so that all the flavors get inside. And then you just saute it for a few minutes on each side. It's super easy and fast because the chicken pieces are small. They get cooked pretty quickly.
Would, 'cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
And then on the side, I decided to cook up some asparagus, and all I'm pouring on top is just some water and some reserved lemon juice. And I did put some salt and pepper on top as well to cook the asparagus in.
Moment, can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment.
And once your chicken is all cooked, go ahead and pour your marinated feta, oregano, tomato, olive oil, lemon juice, garlic, all of that on top of your chicken, and then just serve it up. This is so good, and especially with the side of the asparagus, it felt exactly like a spring dish should, and it was so yummy and so light and healthy. I really recommend it.
At the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
And of course, cooking always makes a mess, so I'm just going to quickly clean up the kitchen after everything. That pan that I have over there, I know it looks terrible, but I use a Dawn Power Wash on there. I sprayed it at first and I'm letting it sit, and then here I am rinsing it out, and then I spray it again, and then I just scrub it down with my little scrubby, and it really works well. I love this product. If you haven't tried it yet, I really recommend it. It makes everything get clean so easily with a little bit of effort, and if you just have a super big mess like I did, all you need to do is just let it soak for a few minutes and you can scrub at it and it all goes away. It's like magic.
Find time, just want the mood to be right, keeping it low in the night, yeah. So long since I get a glimpse of a light, it's blurring out my eyes. Oh, we should open up our window. Oh, I can't see clear. Oh, yes, I know out to window. Cause it's just my habits, and I can't describe it. And she can talk about it like it's magic, the way that she loves my habits.
And now that the sink and the countertops and everything is all clean, that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, definitely give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you are new. I would love to have you. Make sure to check out the spring collab playlist. I do have it linked in my description box below, and I'll see you back in a few days. Have a great day. Bye.
Tell me, how do I get inside? Open up your mind.